Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a love plant to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw this very sweet plant, let's first start by drawing the pot. So I'm going to start right here and just draw a line across. Just for the top of my pot. So I'll say about that wide for my pot. And of course, this is just meant to inspire you. So you can draw whatever kind of pot you want. So then from there, I'm going to bring this down. I'm just going to kind of curve it down and start to bring it in to about right there. And let's do the same thing on this side. Just try my best to match the other side. And now that I'm about the same height, I'm going to stop and connect it with a line at the bottom so that we can draw a base. So I'm going to extend this out a little bit on both sides, right there, and then thicken it up. There, so I have my beautiful pot now, and then of course let's draw our lovely plant with the heart blossoms. So I'm going to start about right here in the center, and I'm going to draw a big curve going up. So let's say about right here, and we're just going to draw this big curve and go up, and then we're going to curve down. Just one nice smooth curve. And then about right here, start to hang down. Okay, so now that I have this like a hook shape, let's start to fill it with hearts. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to draw my first heart, and I'm just going to come down, give myself a point. That's my center of my heart. It just makes it easier for me to draw. And we'll just draw this heart right here. So one right there, and then let's see here, maybe another one over here going upwards. So maybe this one's a little bit smaller. And then let's see, another one about right here, and hang it down as well. And of course you can add as many of these heart blossoms as you want, or as little. It's all up to you. This is just meant to inspire you. Maybe one here hanging this way. And let's see, one more right about here. And this is always going to be your center, so just makes it a little bit easier if you like I did with the first one. But if you're comfortable drawing these hearts, you can just go for it without doing the points. There. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to come back each part here. I thought it'd be really cute. I'm just going to lightly add these kind of like two little, this one would be down here, just for the stem part, so that we can add some green. It's kind of like a heart, and then of course some leaves. So let's put them right about here. We're gonna go up for one leaf, very simple leaf. Another one here. Just want to try to balance it out. And I think we need another tiny one right about here. And then of course you can lightly put in a stem, the center. And now that is pretty much it for our plant. Let's bring the pot to life. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes, because it wouldn't be complete without them, right? So one and another one here. A little bit wider. Okay, so now that I have my circles, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. And so then from there, let's put a little curve above each eye. And then, of course, a big sweet smile right in the center. And cap it off. Aww. Hopefully that's pretty lovely feeling here. And since we have the hearts here, we don't need to put a heart on the plant. And that is pretty much it for this love plant that I hope will help you celebrate Valentine's. Draw it for someone that you love. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.